Spotify, so it was Spotify. There wasn't a real Spotify. All right.
Artificial intelligence, absolute anarchy, advanced analytics and aggravation, anyone. Another annoying Azure analyst arrives.
But
Business intelligence, building better businesses before breakfast, bravely breaking barriers.
careful.
Create a cube, calculate a column, cap cloud capacity, craft crazy constraints, and consume crappy conference coffee.
Don't.
Data, database, data flow, data bricks, data this, data that. Data definitions, data diagrams, data dictionaries for dark data delivered by dumb DBAs. Execute encryption everywhere, entirely, end-to-end, every evening. Forget formatting facts. Find forgotten fragments of forbidden files for forensic forays. Fudging a fantastic fill factor? Figure it out.
Great.
Gigabytes of GUIDs gallivanting gaily gave Ginger Grant a great GitHub glow.
Help.
Highly available hyperscale heuristics help horribly harmful heap hierarchies.
Interesting.
Intelligence increases integration, insulated from intrinsic ingrained institutional ignorance.
Jeez.
JPEGs, joins, jump jamming jolly JSON jobs in the Java JVM.
Okay.
Kilobytes to kilobits for kilograms of kilt data. Kernel, Kerberos karaoke.
Lovely.
Line charts, living large with layered logic. Logic apps lovingly leveraging lineage lost in Leviathan layers of low-layer Linux lockload, loathing latency.
More?
Metadata makes marvelous maps more meaningful. Many models manage many more measures, and multiple measures mercifully minimalizing mid-manager meddling. Manowar, mighty metal masters. Never neglect network nodes. It's now November. Nearly no new notable nuggets of news. Not.
Oh?
Over and over, open oversight overtly opposes old operations. Only ongoing oppression overshadows ops.
Premium.
Power BI, PowerPoint, PowerShell, Power Query, Power Pivot. Pivot tables and pivot charts provide powerful prioritized pointers to precise processes. Pro or premium? Probably predicated on private preview polygase permissions.
Q.
Quickly query the quality queue, Quentin. Question the quantity with Q&A.
Really?
Roger. Rapidly replace, rebuild, or remove rampant rogue reports. Recurring refresh results. Redesigning relationships requires repeatable revisions.
So...
SQL Server something services? Several small self-service scripting solutions slide slowly south. Set statistics I/O and seriously scale some SQL Select scripts. Today, Tableau technology takes a terrible toll on two talented technologists. Tabular table totals trump temporary tallies.
You?
Update, unpivot. Understanding unsigned integer underpins unbound upsert. Upsize to unearth unoptimized unions.
Very.
Volume, variety, velocity, veracity. Vertipack veritably vanishes volumes of vacuous variant and varchar variable values for visually virtualized velociraptors.
What?
When? With World Wide Web warriors wailing weekly, we will wonder why we waited.
X.
XMLA, X events, and X velocity. Executing our Excel extensions extremely exceptional.
Why?
Yearning yearly y-axis. Year over year yields year to date.
Z?
Exactly.